The keyboard is a crucial component of your computer setup, serving as the primary interface. While wireless peripherals were once criticized for their performance, they have largely bridged the gap in aspects like latency when compared to wired counterparts. The keyboard market offers plenty of wireless options, from gaming units with split millisecond latency to Bluetooth options made just for typing. Before you buy, you'll want to consider a few things like, what kind of switches are you looking for? Do you need backlighting or RGB? What layout do you want? Welcome to Tech Spectrum and our video covering the top 5 Bluetooth keyboards. These items were selected based on our personal preferences, and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Before we begin, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icons to stay up to date with our latest videos, and check out the links in the description for more info. Number 5. Best Budget Keyboard. Logitech Signature K650. The Logitech Signature K650 is a distinctive keyboard that stands out with its unique time-saving features and productivity-oriented design. It's priced affordably, especially considering the range of features it offers, making it an impressive option among budget keyboards. Despite a potential drawback in the form of a built-in palm rest, the keyboard offers an overall positive experience with excellent battery life and comfortable typing. This keyboard challenges the notion that budget keyboards lack robust features. The K650's wireless convenience and compatibility with various operating systems set it apart. Its lightweight at about 700 grams strikes a balance between full functionality and portability. The keyboard's standout feature lies in its dedicated media buttons and function keys that offer a multitude of convenient shortcuts, including screenshot, mic mute unmute, and web navigation. The K650's design extends to its connectivity options, supporting both Bluetooth Low Energy and 2.4 GHz wireless via the Logi-Bolt USB receiver. This versatility provides a wireless range of up to 33 feet, granting users the freedom to work comfortably from a distance. The keyboard is also spill-resistant, making it remarkably easy to clean, and offers up to 36 months of battery life. While the deep cushion keys lack the tactile feedback of mechanical switches, they remain responsive and comfortable for extended typing sessions. The major downside is the underwhelming integrated soft-touch palm rest, which offers little support and may not suit those seeking ergonomic comfort. In conclusion, with its affordable price point and numerous features, the Logitech Signature K650 is an appealing choice for budget-conscious individuals who seek an enhanced typing experience and streamlined workflow. Number 4. Best Value Keyboard. Keychron K10. The Keychron K10 is a 104-key, full-size layout mechanical keyboard designed with efficiency in mind and offers versatile connectivity options. Unlike many mechanical keyboards focused on gaming, the K10 is built for productivity and can be simultaneously connected to 3 devices, including computers, tablets, and phones. With compatibility for both Mac OS and Windows, the K10 adapts to various operating systems effortlessly. It also features additional keycaps that cater to each OS, making customization seamless. These keys include the dedicated screenshot key, Siri, Cortana key, and screen lock key. Equipped with a variety of Gateron G Pro mechanical switches, including blue, red, and brown options, the K10 provides a choice of typing experiences. There's even a hot-swappable version of the keyboard. The ABS keys feel comfortable and are sturdy, minimizing swaying during typing and ensuring stability. Its build quality is impressive, featuring an ABS frame that's durable. The keyboard also comes in a version with an aircraft-grade aluminum frame for even more durability. The K10 offers 15 types of RGB backlight options that you can use to play with. It boasts an ergonomic design with 2 incline options, up to 9 degrees, for comfortable typing, although some users might find prolonged use tiring due to the high profile. Using a Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 chipset, the keyboard has Bluetooth support for up to 3 devices. Specific switches allow you to adjust OS compatibility and connection type effortlessly. There's also a rechargeable 4,000 mAh battery within the keyboard that lasts up to 240 hours, offering convenience and longevity. Overall, the Keychron K10 excels as a versatile mechanical keyboard suitable for work and general use. Take a moment to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video. Let us know in the comments what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3. Best Gaming Keyboard. SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless. The SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless features a compact 60% design equipped with SteelSeries' unique OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable switches. These switches employ magnetic sensors, allowing users to customize the actuation point for enhanced response times, accuracy, and durability. The keyboard's standout feature is the ability to adjust key switch response times, setting it apart from competitors. The responsiveness can be tailored to user preferences, offering a range from 0.2 millimeters to 3.8 millimeters. In gaming scenarios, the keyboard offers significant improvements in responsiveness, with faster weapon draws and reliable performance. At its lowest setting, the switches exhibit some of the quickest response times compared to similar-sized gaming keyboards. Despite potential apprehensions about the keyboard's reduced number of keys, you'll find that adjusting to the 60% layout is surprisingly easy. The absence of certain keys is compensated for by using the function key to access them. Media controls, arrow keys, and even F keys remain accessible. Despite being made of plastic, the keyboard maintains a durable build, with quality double-shot PBT keycaps and PureKey RGB illumination. The keyboard supports both Bluetooth 5.0 and Quantum 2.0 wireless connectivity, offering up to 30 hours of use on a single charge. The SteelSeries GG app allows users to manage and update their SteelSeries products, offering customization options such as assigning macros and adjusting color schemes. However, the app's firmware update process can be slightly confusing. In conclusion, the Apex Pro Mini Wireless is a proficient keyboard with innovative switches. It excels in numerous aspects, setting it apart from other premium offerings in the market. Number 2, runner-up, Newfie Air 75. The Newfie Air 75 is a remarkable low-profile mechanical keyboard that offers portability without compromising on the satisfying tactile experience of mechanical keys. Designed for on-the-go typists, this ANSI 75% layout keyboard is compact and easily fits in your bag alongside your laptop. The keyboard features low-profile Gateron switches that retain the tactile bump preferred by typists. The keyboard is hot swappable and comes with 3 bonus mechanical switches and extra keycap options for customization. The brown switches offer a subtle tactile feedback, while clicky blue and linear red switch options are also available. The ultra-thin PBT keycaps provide durability and a comfortable typing experience. They sit atop the switches with minimal wobbling. The keyboard's slimness, at only 16 millimeters, doesn't detract from its sound quality. It produces a refined and pleasing clack. The keyboard's chassis combines a metal top layer with a semi-transparent polycarbonate bottom deck. The semi-transparent back panel allows RGB lights to shine through, creating an eye-catching lighting effect. The keyboard's RGB lighting is bright and customizable, enhancing the overall aesthetics. There are no traditional fold-out feet. Instead, magnetic corners allow the keyboard to rest at a raised typing angle. It also features second-generation Air feet that's superbly compatible with all MacBooks and most laptops. The Newfie Air 75 supports Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, 2.4G wireless, and USB-C cable for connecting with your devices. The battery lasts up to 48 hours, and there's even an optional Nufolio V2 case that adds protection and doubles as a stand for devices connected via Bluetooth. Overall, the Newfie Air 75 is an excellent choice for those seeking a compact, low-profile mechanical keyboard for portability without sacrificing typing satisfaction. Number 1. Best overall keyboard. Razer ProType Ultra. The Razer ProType Ultra keyboard offers an array of programmable features suitable for gamers and programmers alike. The keyboard boasts a solid build, featuring Razer's yellow mechanical switches that are rated for 80 million clicks. Paired with sound-dampening foam, this combination delivers a quiet and responsive typing experience. The switches have a travel distance of 3.5 millimeters and an actuation point of 1.2 millimeters, making them soft and suitable for extended typing sessions. The keyboard's construction is robust, with a metal surface beneath the keys and padded leatherette wrist rest. The sculpted keycaps are made from soft-touch ABS plastic, and backlit LEDs enhance visibility in low-light conditions. The adjustable kickstands offer angle options of 6 or 9 degrees. The absence of RGB lighting might disappoint some gamers, but the ProType Ultra excels in other areas. The ProType Ultra supports both Bluetooth and Razer hyperspeed wireless connectivity, accommodating up to 4 devices. Its Razer Productivity dongle is designed to connect both your wireless mouse and keyboard, letting you streamline your setup even further and free up a USB port. The included Razer Synapse 3 software offers customization options to adjust backlight intensity, create macros, reprogram keys, and more. Additionally, the keyboard's battery life has been significantly improved, with Razer rating it for up to 214 hours of use over Bluetooth and 207 hours over 2.4 GHz wireless, provided the backlight is off. In conclusion, the Razer ProType Ultra is a premium product. Its fast performance, luxurious design, and elite typing experience make it an excellent selection for those seeking a high-quality Bluetooth keyboard. That's it for our list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.